Hey, Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you've been seeing the buzz on the Profits Passport system, this new completely done-for-you system that just launched recently. And maybe you are wondering exactly how it works, right? How did the different income streams work? How can you set all this up to just allow yourself to automatically, on just autopilot, start to generate these big commissions into your bank account as fast as possible? Well, if you're looking for that, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm gonna break down every single income stream, how this all works, and then how you can best start promoting this towards the end of the video so you can start to make your commissions as soon as possible. But before I dive right into that, I wanna share with you that there's gonna be a link directly below this video, and at any time in this video, feel free to click that, because that's a private invite-only link that's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. And you can literally just follow along and take the steps as I share them, so then you can fast track your results and see success and money as fast as possible. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, there's gonna be a link again directly below. Put your best email here and hit yes, show me how this works. You're gonna get sent an email where you can find out more information as well as get access to tips to best make money with this business. Okay, a lot of these businesses, they don't share with you exactly what to do. They don't give you training. It's not duplicatable. There's no community in place. Well, this system really solves all that once and for all, okay? Now, you wanna look out for your spam folder because the email may go in there. All right, now once you put your email in, you're gonna get taken to a page that may look something like this. It may be slightly different. Okay, the creator is constantly updating it to make it as high converting as possible, because once you click the link below and you set up your system with this business, you're gonna be able to use this exact same done-for-you process for other people. And when they go through the same process you're about to go through, you'll be able to make money as well, okay? So it's really, really powerful. Now, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna watch this video. Okay, because this video is going to share with you more information on this business so you can start getting results on total autopilot within, often in your first week, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to go through and you want to watch, again, this video, and you want to realize that this is your link to promote, okay? So if I go to this, you're going to see it's going to take to this page, okay? Now, this would be your page. So when you send people to here and they put their email in, then it would get coded to you. Okay, so this really is just duplicating what other people are doing to succeed. Now, the cool thing about this business, unlike a lot of other online businesses online, is, a lot of these businesses, they have one income stream, and if the person's not interested, you lose out and you're frustrated. The cool thing about the Profits Passport online business, which is what this business is called, is they have 5 different incredibly powerful income streams that range from about $25 all the way up to $16,500 that you can make, okay? Now, income stream number 1 is very, very powerful. Now, this income stream is called Easy One-Up, okay? If you followed me at any length, you know that this isn't actually new, and it's just been getting better. Easy One-Up has been around for many years, and basically it sells marketing training. So you really can earn while you learn. You can invest into one of the levels, okay? Now they have Elevation, $25, all the way up to the Vertex Live at $2,000. Now all of these are a one-time investment. If you want to start your own business, you have to invest money. It takes money to make money. And the cool thing about this is there's no monthly charge. Once you invest that one-time fee, you unlock that level. Now, the cool thing is you can earn 100% commissions when you recommend other people to Easy One-Up. And that's what this system will do for you, okay? So you don't have to try to go out there and sell people. You just send them to your link, and as they go through the process and they sign up and create an account, they will upgrade in one of the levels. And when they do, you will earn that money directly into your bank account instantly, okay? You get paid instantly. There's no waiting with this business, which is absolutely incredible. Now, the thing you want to realize too is, let's say you can only afford right now, you're like, geez, I don't want to go out there and try to start my own Starbucks, right? I don't want to own my own McDonald's and invest $500,000 to $1 million to own a brick and mortar business. I want to do an internet business, and I understand it takes some investing. I understand that I need to invest money to make money. Maybe you can only afford, maybe you got to charge a credit card or sell some things, and you can only come in at the $1,000 level, let's say. The cool thing about Easy One Up is once you invest that $1,000, not only do you get all the training, all the ability to earn at the $1,000 level, instant 100% commissions, you actually unlock all the levels below it. Okay, so people sometimes ask me, Garrett, can I actually join at the $500 level and then upgrade? And you can upgrade at any time, but realize that you'd have to invest here and then invest again at the $2,000 level or the $1,000 level. If you just came in at the $1,000 level initially, you would just bypass all this and get all this unlocked. Okay, so that's the first income stream with this online business. Very, very powerful. Now, income stream number 2 is called Funnel X Advance, and it's right here. Now, Funnel X Advance is a pay-per-lead program. A lead is basically anytime you get someone to go to a page, okay, like this, and put their email in. You don't have to make a sale to actually get paid. So with Funnel X Advance, when you get someone to go through this process, which again, David will get people to do this for you. He will follow up with people for you. When they sign up and create an account, you will actually earn $1, okay? Now, the cool thing though about Funnel X Advance is you can get people to upgrade to commissions and make as much as $998.50, okay? So they have all these different levels, and I personally went all in. See, if you want to succeed online, a lot of people ask me, Garrett, how are you able to smash the leaderboards? How are you able to make so much money with a lot less time than most people? And the reason is when I see an opportunity right in front of me, when I'm focusing on a video that I'm resonating with, when I'm really locking on to the thing in front of me, fading out everything else and paying close attention, I get all in. I make a decision and go all in because I know that I'm going to get all the training, all the resources, and the ability to earn at the highest level, okay? Now, the next income stream number 3, is really powerful because what this is ROI panel, okay? Now, ROI panel is basically a tracking software. Now, you can see right here, remaining clicks. Now, what is this? Well, anytime you send someone to, let's say this link here, okay? This is your link to promote. Well, it's a great idea to track where your clicks to this link are coming from. Are they coming more from Facebook? Maybe you're promoting on Instagram, on YouTube. Where is the sales coming from? Well, with ROI Panel, you can actually track where the clicks are coming from, and you can just scale whatever is working. So you want to realize that this is really powerful. Now, another cool thing though about our ROI Panel, easy for me to say, is you can earn up to, I believe it's 700. I've earned at least $11,000 with our ROI Panel alone, because this again has been around for a while, okay, but they've added it into this new online business because it's converting like hotcakes. But I've earned up to $748.50 because I went all in at ROI Panel as well. And that's the third income stream. So not only do you get a tracking software that you would need anyway to succeed online, but you also can now get this system that you can get access to at the link below to do the selling and telling for you and earn while you're learning. Income stream number 4, and there's only 2 more, which is absolutely incredible. Income stream number 4 is you can actually make commissions from YouToMe. Now, YouToMe, when you sign up and create an account here, YouToMe looks like this, okay? Now, YouToMe is a source to buy solo ads. If you don't know what solo ads are, basically it's one of the most powerful paid advertising sources, especially for make money online type businesses, which this is what this business is. The reason being is what a solo ad does is you can actually go to YouToMe, hit find sellers, and you find all these people with large email lists. And when you purchase, okay, so if I go to this guy, and if I say, let's say I want 300 visitors or 50 visitors or 1,000 visitors, when you hit add to cart and you add an email in here, this guy is going to send this email to his email list. And you can get them to send it to whatever link you want. So I would recommend you just send them to this link. So you can get people going through this process, upgrading, and earning money, okay? This is absolutely incredible, and this is totally automated once you set this up. And again, what you want to do is whenever you sign up with one of these things, you're going to get an ID, and then you just come back to this page, put your ID here, and hit save and update, okay? Now also, okay, the last income stream is big Bitcoin commissions. Now the website is opmwealth.com, and again, you just click here and you can create an account. Now this is what it looks like, okay? And you can actually go through all this training, and the cool thing is, once you get people going through the training, learning how to use cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, which is again, incredible training on its own, you can actually earn up to $16,500 per commission when someone goes through the process through your link, okay? So absolutely incredible income stream. Now, again, what I want to share with you is that there's going to be a link where you can go through the same process that I'm going through, that the people in the beginning of the video that made insane amount of money very quickly went through, and you can actually do the same thing, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. Now, you may be watching this thinking, Garrett, this is great. This makes sense. I've been looking for something in 2020 and beyond that's going to work for me. I've been looking for something ground floor, but how do I get traffic to my link? What's the best way? Well, again, YouToMe, okay, is one of the main ways if you have a little bit of extra money to get traffic with paid advertising, and he gives you the email copy, okay? So I would literally look for a seller that has 3 sales in the last 30, 60 days, a minimum of 70, 80% traffic, and no bad reviews. And you can look, okay, right here, right? Do they have any bad reviews? He tells you what to look for. And then this is the email copy. Okay, so you would just go here, put the email copy, okay, and then just use this and hit add to cart, and bam, you're getting traffic. Now, just one more way, if you're watching this and you're loving this and you're wanting to get started at the link below, but maybe you don't have a lot of extra money once you invest at the higher levels, you can just go to your Facebook profile, okay, and make a post, okay, like this, and tell people to comment for info, okay, and look, yes, 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 and all I did was just send these people, okay, my link. So you can get traffic for free, okay? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning about what I truly believe to be the best online business in 2020. If you have any questions, go down below and ask me. I'm here for you, and I want you to get the best results with this, because I don't want to be the only one just racking stacks of money with this powerful brand new system, okay? So if you have any questions, also be sure to go to the link below. Again, this is brand new. You want to take action. Okay, put your best email in. Look out for your spam folder. Again, it may go into your spam. And then start to watch this video and then learn how to set all this up very quickly. You know, yeah, it may take a little bit of time to set this up one time, and then all you have to worry about is sending people to this link. Okay, once you do that, everything else is taken care of you. He'll send out, David, the creator, will send out follow-up emails to your leads. He's going to do everything else for you, okay? And then they even have a Facebook community that you can actually join, so you're never going to be left stranded, okay? So it's right here. You can just join. I've already joined, and people are always posting results, okay? I mean, even right here, okay, he woke up to a $250 sale, right? So it's absolutely incredible. So take action now, my friend. I look forward to seeing you at the top. God bless.